Good morning. It is Saturday, July 13th. I am sitting on the couch doing paperwork and drinking Vanilla Sky in my cold brew this morning. Vanilla Sky is a new ketone flavor from Prove It, and it is super good in cold brew. So, anyways, also my suggestion with the Vanilla Sky, add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. It brings out the sweetness of the vanilla, and yeah, it just makes it taste that much better. So anyways, I am going to keep this pretty short because I have to get this paperwork done and get out, but I am going to go for a trek ride today, even though it's going to be pretty warm. It's supposed to be like 27, 28 today. And so I'm going to go, I don't know for how long, but I'm going to go run my errands on my trike. So I need to go to the bank and I need to go to the restaurant and drop off change. And then I'm going to see from there where I want to go. I may just go around town, and then that way if I need to get water or anything, there's water fountains along the path and stuff. I will fill my camel with water before I go, but if I'm drinking a lot, then I will need a refill. So anyways, I am going to go and get that all done, and I will see you when I get back and when I eat. Hey guys, we are outside having dinner. This has started already. And I'm just going to turn you around and show you what we're having. Alright, so the other day I bought steak at Sobeys, and we had got 3 huge steaks. Sophie, quiet. We got 3 huge steaks, so I put one in the freezer and then I cooked 2, and we're having some mushrooms, and I made cowboy sauce, and I'm having a ginger root beer Zevia for a drink. So yeah, so I really didn't have a lunch today. I had 2 pieces of cheese, like 2 slices of cheese, and a pepperoni stick that I got in the latest keto box. And after that I wasn't really hungry, so I didn't really feel like just filming that little bit. So yeah, so this is, I guess, kind of OMAD today. I still might have something else, and if I do, then I might pop on later, but we will see. If not, have a great night, and if I see you again, then I'll see you again.